Hey friends, if you encounter screen flickering issues while playing games on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the display drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first display adapter and select update driver, and right click on the second one and select update driver. The next one is to use the recommended scale and resolution. How would you do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select display. And then you have two options for display, resolution and scale. So make sure that you use the recommended setting. Okay. The last solution is to disable hardware acceleration. And how would you do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the display tab, select display, scroll down, click on graphics, click on change default graphics settings, and switch off hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.